The sunflower has multiple sunflowers on it. This one as well. Quite beautiful. Good morning. I think it's safe to say that today is the last day I'm going to be vlogging in this bathroom. I am vlogging officially for the last time because tomorrow we are moving to our new place, which I am so excited about. I am just getting ready for the day. I've already bathed and right now I'm just styling my hair. I'm making a silk bun, which is very easy. I've come to learn that it's actually very easy for as long as you drench your hair enough and you comb it, detangle it enough in the bathtub or the shower. I'm using this Perfect Touch to freeze my hair. So I'm just getting ready for the day. Like I said, today is our last day here, so we are finalizing a lot of the things before we move. We need to get clips for the curtains because where we're moving to, we're not using the standard tapered curtain rail, it's the round one, and temporarily we just need to get clips before we actually buy our curtains. Probably early next year, end of January, I'm thinking, because we did go to Oriental Plaza. We looked at some curtains that we absolutely loved, and we're not gonna get them now because it's December and we're moving and there's a lot going on. So we're just gonna make a temporary measure. We want to get cling wrap just to wrap more sensitive items. We want to go to builders and get boxes. I organized some boxes yesterday at the center and I'm going to get those just to finalize some of the packing things that we're going to be doing. We need to get sellotape and just a whole lot of things today. And at some point today we're going to our new cottage this afternoon to send our plants. We've got a lot of plants and we just want to make the moving day easy for ourselves. So it would be really nice to see the place again because the last time I saw it was the last time I saw it and I did not take a video. I do have screenshots of the place that I did take from Property 24, but it would be really nice for me to see the place again. Hopefully if we get the key by then, I'll do like an empty apartment tour. But if I don't get the key, I will be okay to do the empty apartment tour tomorrow. So I just thought I should introduce the vlog. I'm going to just be vlogging whatever that happens today, guys. I don't really have a plan in terms of like anything crazy besides what I've mentioned. So yeah, if you guys like today's video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It is free. Right now I'm going to have breakfast. I'm not sure what I'm going to be having. I think a fruit salad with some yogurt would be nice. I'll just look at what we have and then I'll take it from there. I can see the moon. This video is our empty apartment tour. And that's a little passage with more plants, with the gas that connects to the bathroom, shower, and then that's, I guess, the gate that goes to our neighbor, which is also in the same estate. And then we go in, entryway, beautiful doors. They still need to paint tonight, so this is what you walk into. That's the main door, the bathroom door, and the main bedroom door. And there's a step here. This is the bathroom. This has a built-in shower and a bathtub. It's very clean, it smells very nice. It just needs like an extra wash, but I'm very happy with it. A windowsill. Oh, this is what's making it smell nice. This diffuser. And then we've got a sink. And then you have me over here. And a toilet, which is very it's clean for the most part. It just probably needs another wash. Toilet is relatively clean. And then here we can put the washing machine. And then this is that window I was showing you guys from outside. And then here you can hang some bathrobes, which is something I was thinking about if we have such a luxury. And then we've got a 2-door closet here where we can put our toiletries. And I've already bought pip organizers. It makes for nice bathroom vlogs. Like here. Is it up here? Oh, it's nice. The closet. Yeah, we don't have to worry about a lot of things. And this is closet. This one doesn't look... Oh, I didn't go into the bedroom the last time we were here. This is like glossy.
I don't remember.
Now we are in the main living area. But before I show you that tour, let's go downstairs. It's a bit slippery here, I think because of whatever they were using. This is the second bedroom. Here my husband's going to use this as his office, and it also has additional storage where I'm going to put extra blankets, like the bottom level. And then this is like the upper level. This looks very nice, love. It looks very nice. I love the wood. I love the wood. I love the windows. Yes, I did. I thought that the windowsill was going to be like more hinged in so we can put like plants. It's a small kitchen, which I appreciate. We'll put the fridge over there. This is a 4-plate gas stove kitchen, and all of this is from the landlord. They're still cleaning. And these are all the kitchen cupboards. Actually quite generous. Quite generous with the kitchen space. Our gas is in there. And this is nice ovens, very clean. 4-plate gas hob. I like these tiles. Really nice. It's only one sink, but it's really not a big deal. In the grander scheme of things, it's a small compromise. Then here I've got a window that's overlooking like the wall and the laundry line. I like that creepy crawly flower situation.
You said they were going to replaster.
They're going to replaster.
During winter.
Oh, during winter. And then here we can put like a washing machine or a dishwasher. I think a dishwasher. I think the washing machine will go in the bathroom, and then we've got 4 drawers. I thought we only had 1 drawer. But we've got 4. That's very nice. These ones that my husband was bringing in just now. It's very spacious. Very spacious. Like Ollie can run around comfortably here. Like even around he can, and also the side. This is where our laundry is. A laundry line, even more like plants, and then we've got a drainage over here. You can even put like more plants here. And then that's like what you look into. Here's my husband. We'll have a picnic. Yes, we'll sit on the grass. Yeah. Today is moving day and I'm so excited.